Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a unboxing video here. So I know what's in this one. So I just want to share with you guys. It's a pretty cool casting. So let's quickly unbox this and see how it looks. So I had to order this from overseas. Just arrived here pretty quickly. So let's quickly get into this one. Right, it's well packaged. So I'll just quickly open this here. So there are three cars in total. Two of the cars are same casting, and the other one is a premium. All right. So let's check this out. Cool. That's the first packaging, and that's the second. All right, we'll put this aside. Right, these are the cars that I've ordered. So the first one, let's check this out. So that's the Holden Torana from the latest Boulevard set. It's a pretty cool casting. Couldn't find this on the pegs, so I had to order from overseas. That's the full set. So the Benz, the Torana, Mitsubishi, Truno, and the Cyclone. I was able to find all the cars but the Torana, so that's a good one to have. And then I've got another car which I've been looking for, but I couldn't find this on the pegs. It's a Super. Awesome. All right, so that's the Mighty K, which is from the latest case in of this from this year, 2023. All right, so let's have a look at this casting. Wow, that looks great. I was able to find the regular version of this, but not the Super, so it's definitely a good one to have. Cool. Right, just the close-up. Let me focus that. Yep. Cool. All right, and the last one is the one which I was eagerly awaiting. That's the latest Super, which is from the N case from this year, 2023. So let's quickly open this and check this out. Yeah, as you can see, that's the Porsche times 2. So let's quickly open this and check. Let's clear this off and take this off as well. All right. So that's the card art. Cool. Porsche 935. And let's quickly. Wow, that's awesome looking car. Great. Let's take this off. All right, Super Treasure Hunt from the N case Porsche 935. You've got the rubber tires, the flame logo there, if you can see that. So there. And then you've got this wing, which has got the Porsche logo and a nice set of wheels. It's cool. Yeah, the paint job looks awesome as well, and there you can see the Treasure Hunt logo. So it's a really good one to have, and the card is in the mint condition, guys. Great. So these are my finds for this buy. In this buy, sorry. Yeah, 3 castings. Amazing. 2 supers in Winterana. Yeah, great. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Bye.